wig reveal.
No eyebrows.
Dude, easy.
Put it down like they do like this as if like it's their hair.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel.
Wow, okay. I'm just gonna go ahead and start because I already know it's gonna be a long video because she takes her sweet time.
No, I don't. I'm gonna be done
I'm
before
using
you.
the L.
Period.
Well, that's because you have less products than me.
Okay.
I'm gonna use my L.
Right now I'm just folding up my... So the first thing I do is brows before everything. So I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Powder Duo. Ain't really fuck with me way back when, girl. How about now?
Okay, I'm already on my foundation. I'm gonna use the Fit Me. This is 220.
So this isn't special?
No, 235. And here.
Sorry. What's the biggest concern of yours for 2020? I think the world is gonna end, so I just wanna like yeah, like I want to be a better, even though like I am a good person, but I want to be
better. Yeah,
I want to be better, and like there's still so many things I want to do, and I feel like the world just stopped right now.
Most Pride Island knows what's best.
This isn't supposed to be a religious topic, but it's
Islam is a lifestyle, so.
Okay, what am I doing next? This is how long I haven't put on makeup.
I'm like, what?
Jackie.
Do I think?
Yes, sir. See,
well, she took out the flush. She's serious. Are you looking?
Are you looking? See? Do you see that, sir? Ma'am. Officer. Do you see that? Seeing me isn't like going to a wedding.
No, girl.
In-N-Out or Chick-fil-A? Explanation of 3 or more sentences, please.
In-N-Out disgusting. Oh, this is henna, by the way. Don't get scared. I did henna. It's not all that.
Thank you.
It just tastes different. Potatoes are good.
The potatoes? Can you say fries?
Oh, I meant crisps, chips. Number 3. It just sucks. There you go.
In progress.
This powder's really good.
Okay, if I'm sitting as close as you, I'm gonna be like this. You see my range? 120 to 125. That's my range.
Put your makeup on! Oh my god! It's already like how many minutes?
I'm so sad.
Are you sad, honey?
I have pimples.
If you text her, she won't respond. See how much? How many is that?
234.
Emails everybody like
7,000.
Wow. I'll read your message, but I won't respond.
See, that's same thing.
No, you don't even click on it.
That's true. That's not the same thing. We are not the same. Bitches love the gram.
No.
If you were to go on vacation right now. Oh, I didn't answer the question once again. I would go. I'd probably just go to school. Said I wanted to be your girlfriend.
What are you then? Family?
You're a bitch.
No, you are not my bitch.
All right, what shimmer am I gonna use? Soleil.
Zam. Oh, Soleil.
It's snowing. Who's your favorite YouTuber?
Jackie.
Moving on to blush. I don't put bronzer anymore. I used to be a bronzer hoe, but now I'm a blush hoe.
Wait, did I say?
No, I just did. I put too much.
Never enough highlight.
I'm moving too fast. Got 3 on it. Yeah, they're like a hair. We don't give a fuck about no. Oh, sorry. Oh my god, they're all the same lashes. I don't want supernatural.
Then don't.
Don't appreciate your tone right now. Do you have scissors? Oh, that one's pretty. Isolation is driving me crazy. What the F should I do? Get a personality, maybe? Sorry. Is that gonna count as burping?
Push on this. This video is too long. Maybe there's a part 3.
Whoa. We don't do it. Oh. Okay, I'm done. I just messed up over here. gosh.
My lipsticks, and these are my other lipsticks. Kylie Coconut. It's a brown. Oh, you're done?
Mm-hmm.
So close.
Ooh.
Best nude, Velvet Teddy.
Oh yeah, Teddy's nice. When I couldn't see
Huda Demi Matte and CEO. I love these mattes, Demi Mattes.
Trying to find my angle.
We need one.
An angle?
And a bag.
Oh.
Oh my god, it looks so good.
You do. This is our final look.
Final look. Thank you guys for sticking around. We used the Jacqueline palette.
Right now, we're practicing social distancing.
Yeah, since this whole video we were too close, so
yeah.
So pretty, guys.
Oh, I put this on upside down.
Okay. Such a yummy. Look at this.
How come I don't look hot?
Subscribe, leave a comment below. Follow me, follow Hanin.
Sorry.